WHO Program for International Drug Monitoring was established because countries asked for it, and countries wanted such a program in place so that we can capture any untoward events with medicines and vaccines in good time and prevent such events from harming patients and individuals. Medicines need to be monitored when they are put into the market, because before they get into the market, they follow a very short process of development and clinical trials. Clinical trials are very narrow by design. You have few people being monitored or tested for that product, for that particular disease. You have certain populations not included, such as pregnant women, children, people with comorbidities. So when put into the market, anybody and everybody will use that medicine. So the real adverse events, if any, can be picked up in totality only by monitoring them when they are on the market.
From its formation in 1968, the program has grown to cover most of the world, with over 170 member countries. The program is a global community for knowledge sharing, collaboration and action regarding patient safety of medicines and vaccines. UMC is at the heart of the program as the custodian of VigiBase, the world's largest database of suspected adverse event reports. Through the program, we offer the members the tools they need for the foundation of a well-functioning national pharmacovigilance system. In VigiFlow, program members have a system for collecting, managing and sharing safety data on medicines and vaccines. Through VigiBase, program members have access to a database of over 35 million anonymized reports of suspected adverse events. With vigilance, program members have access to a signal detection and management tool where they can analyze their national data and compare it to the global data. In the program, we continue to develop these tools to meet the needs of the program members to advance medicine safety.
We offer training in many aspects of PV. We offer trainings online, either instructor-led or self-paced. We want to equip trainers in countries with the skills they need to provide training for their staff. Many countries that choose UMC's tools for collecting and exploring their data or using our dictionary for drug coding benefit from our regular product trainings. We also provide customized training as guided by WHO's global benchmarking and assessments of PV maturity.
There are a few achievements I'm really proud of when it comes to the WHO Program for International Drug Monitoring. For example, patient safety, putting patients at the center of everything that we do in pharmacovigilance. Because if you don't bring patients into the equation, patients who suffer an adverse event and who know best about where it hurts, then you can never get the full picture about this medicine or this vaccine.
So the fact that we have now platforms of independent regulatory systems from different member states that collaborate voluntarily through a process in which the work share, not only the knowledge share, but the work share in implementing the measures to reinforce safety of medicines is assumed as a collective work in a voluntary basis is one of the strongest outcomes of the collaboration on regulatory systems in the last decades. And PIDM is really at the center of that operation.
It's important to collaborate internationally when it comes to medicine safety, because what happens in one part of the world, an adverse event, only when other countries and everybody else would learn about it, can we pull that information together, learn more about the product, and make sure that we put the learning into best medical care when it comes to patients.